The Australian Department of Home Affairs offers an online tool called ImmiAccount that enables Australia potential migrants and tourists to electronically establish and manage their visa applications and associated procedures. You can make an ImmiAccount and prepare your own application if you're seeking a temporary or permanent visa to Australia. We will take you step by step through the process of setting up and using the Australia ImmiAccount dashboard to apply for an Australia visa in this video. Types of Australia ImmiAccount. Even though anybody may create an ImmiAccount, there are many account types based on whether you are an organization or an individual, such a legal business or immigration agency. In order to apply, you must register as an individual, and family members who may be helping you with your application or submitting one on your behalf may also register for an account. After they are designated as your representative, your Australian migration lawyers can create an account as an organization. Australia ImmiAccount Step-by-step registration. All you need to start creating an ImmiAccount is your personal information and a working email address that you presently have access to. Step 1. Click the Create an ImmiAccount link available on the Department of Home Affairs website, which will direct you to the registration landing page, where you must enter your email address. You will receive a verification code after entering the address, so make sure you can access your email account for you to verify right away. Step 2. You will be prompted to enter your user information after entering the verification code that was provided to your email, and if you did not get a code, check your spam or junk folder or choose Resend Verification Code. Choose Individual Account when choosing the necessary services. No further services need to be chosen because applications for citizenship and visas are already included in each individual ImmiAccount. After that, you may enter your personal information exactly as it appears on your passport. Step 3. You must finish entering your account information, which includes creating a password and answering security questions. Make sure your questions are unique to you and private, and that your password is safe. Turning on the security alert might also be helpful if you want to be informed if someone unauthorized gains access to your account. Step 4. Finally, you have to read and accept the terms and conditions of the account and check the box certifying that you are not a robot. You can submit your application after verifying that you are human and reading and agreeing to the terms, and you will receive an email right away with a link for confirmation. Role of ImmiAccount for Australian visa application process. Your ImmiAccount is the primary platform through which you may upload documents, submit them, make changes, and contact the Department of Home Affairs. This will probably be your first and final experience applying for a visa to Australia, from the time you submit your application until you hear back about the status of your application. More specifically, an ImmiAccount allows you to 1. Submit an application for a short-term or long-term visa. 2. Amend personal information or attach new documents. 3. Obtain precise and comprehensive updates on the progress of your application. 4. Examine the terms and conditions listed on your visa. 5. Pay any related costs using a safe and secure means of payment. 6. Sign up to get email updates on any changes to the status of your application or visa. What to do after applying through your ImmiAccount? There is still more to come for your ImmiAccount, even after you have submitted your initial visa application. You may check the status of your application, read and reply to Department of Home Affairs information requests, and keep an eye on the terms of your current visa by using your account as a gateway. More precisely, ImmiAccount enables you to receive and review communications from the Department of Home Affairs, find out what information is needed by the department, be notified of any inaccuracies in your application, and much more after you submit your application. If you want to efficiently handle the Australian immigration procedure, setting up an ImmiAccount is a must. This useful tool makes handling your visa application easier and makes sure you are aware of all the developments at every turn. You can equip yourself with the tools and assistance you require to accomplish your Australian ambition by taking the time to set up your IMMI account. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!